So suppose that the futures rate was not actually 97.14. Suppose instead the futures rate today is 99 yen for a dollar. As I have been saying, there should be an arbitrage opportunity. So if you are a trader, how would you set up this opportunity? How would you make a riskless profit? So this is what we are going to do now. I'm going to show you how you can make a riskless profit if the parity relationship is violated. Well, the first thing to realize is that in this futures contract that you have in the market, you're getting 99 yen to a dollar. Now, the parity relationship says that the rate should have been 97.14. If that is true, then the futures contract is giving you too many yens for a dollar. So which way in the futures contract would you enter? In the futures contract you can enter either to receive yen or to receive dollars. Because it is 99 yen for a dollar, you will enter into a futures contract in which you receive the 99 yen rather than give 99 yen, because parity relationship says 97.14 is the correct rate. If you are giving 99 yens, you'll be giving too much. Rather, you want to receive too much. So the first step in the arbitrage, which is the most important step, is deciding which direction you are going to enter the contract in. And the direction for you will be, you enter into the futures contract to receive yen and give dollars, and after that the rest of the actions will be to make cash flow zero in the future, so that there is no risk, because prices change. So you may have risk if you do not make future cash flow zero. So we are now going to go through the steps after having entered in this futures contract where we receive 99 yen for a dollar. We are going to go through the steps to make all futures cash flow zero and then see how much money we have today. So you have entered into a futures contract which requires you to pay a dollar, for which you will receive 99 yen. So on the future date, your cash flows will be plus 99 yen and minus $1. So how will you go about making this cash flow zero? Well, that's not difficult. Look at this 99 yen. If you today sell Japanese bonds, which will require you to pay 99 yen in the future, then your future cash flows become zero. So the amount of bonds that you will sell today will be 99 divided by 1.02, which is the Japanese riskless rate, or you will sell Japanese bonds which have a price of 97.06. So this will give you a positive yen cash flow today, a negative 99 yen cash flow in the future. Therefore your future yen cash flows become zero. Similarly, to make this future negative dollar cash flow zero, we are going to purchase dollar bonds today so that we get a dollar in the future. The cost of these bonds is going to be $1 divided by the riskless rate for dollars plus 1, that is 1.05, and this will be $95.23 or $0.9523. So you have a negative dollar cash flow in the future. So today you are buying dollar bonds so that you get dollars in the future to offset this negative dollar cash flow from the futures contract. So today you have to pay dollars. And how much do you pay? Well, you pay 95.23 cents, or in dollar terms 0.9523, which, because you are paying today, is a negative cash flow, so it is negative. So you have positive 97.06 yen and negative $0.9523. What you do not know as yet is that whether you're making a profit. And that's not difficult. Simply convert your yens to dollars. When you convert yens to dollars, because you've been told that the exchange rate is 100 yen for a dollar, you're going to get $0.9706. So that's a plus cash flow. Then you'll have 0 yens today because you've converted them to dollars. So you have plus this much dollars from converting yens, negative this much dollars because you purchase dollar bonds, and you can see that you end up with about 2 cents positive, or 0.09706 minus 0.9523, it's a bit less than 2 cents. And what about your future cash flows? Well, now your future cash flows are 0. You have no net cash flows in yens, but you have a bit less than 2 cents today. What you have is 0.9706 minus 0.9523, and that's a riskless profit because you don't owe anything in the future. You just have this money today. And of course, you're not going to do it for a dollar. You would rather want to do it for $1 million or $10 million or $100 million. So this is going to be a riskless profit today for you, and it will get larger the bigger your position is. And that of course can't happen because people will be doing it, right? And that would move the prices back towards parity. When people start, for example, entering into more and more futures contracts where they are to receive yens and give dollars, then the amount of yens which the counterparty will be ready to give will start falling, and when it reaches 97.14 yen, then it will stabilize. If it goes in the other direction, suppose it goes to 95 yens for a dollar, then again you can make an arbitrage profit, but you start not by entering into a futures contract where you receive yens and give dollars, but rather you would enter into a futures contract where you give yens and receive dollars, because 95 yen to receive a dollar is too few yens according to the parity relationship.